2022 was very exciting for us all at Machine Maker as well as for the Indian manufacturing industry. We were able to tell a new way of storytelling for manufacturing and enabled networking for many of our customers. Personally for me, this year made me an author and I was able to come out with this Change Makers of Indian Manufacturing, which is the first ever book written on Indian manufacturers.
This year, we left our footprints at the exhibitions like Boiler, Defense Expo, Imtex, Rajkot Machine Tools and many more.
Thanks to Machine Maker, I was introduced to this exhibition, and this is an amazing experience for me.
In Machine Maker, we are delighted to have 20 plus collaboration in this year.
ये 30 किलो का है, ये उठा नहीं सकता।
We have captured more than 200 videos and still counting on.
Since beginning, Machine Maker has believed and focused on customer success. Machine Maker, the voice of Indian manufacturing. Sticking to it, we have written more than 25 case stories this year.
Being the voice of Indian manufacturing is what Machine Maker was built on. Supporting the Indian manufacturers who are the backbone of our country's economy is the ultimate goal. And this year, keeping that goal in mind, we have successfully built more than 25,000 communities in the social platform, singing their stories of the Indian manufacturing industry.
Year 2022 gave us an opportunity to celebrate people in manufacturing industry through the flagship Eventful and Change Maker of Indian manufacturing.
Do you think an organization can run without a team?
Of course not. Teamwork is a dream work, and in 2022 we have learned a lot. And one of the most important learning was that collaborating problem solving leads to better outcomes.
2023. Machine Maker is coming closer to you, closer to your heart, closer to your factories, closer to your cities. Thank you. Stay tuned.